Hi, my name is Jennifer Avakis, and I am the owner, director, and a lead trainer at Inlet Yoga. I wanted to speak to you today specifically about why the meditation Module 1, titled The Grounding, is probably one of the most important modules of our 300-hour teacher training. And specifically, why it is different from any other meditation training you will take and how it will up-level your teaching and your practice. Many meditation trainings will teach you the what and the how to, which may include types of pranayamas, mantras, mudras, meditations, and even perhaps how to sit and the verbiage to use for the meditations. While these are good and valid, our meditation training in its entire 60 hours goes a bit further. Let's speak specifically to the first module. This training is the science behind, which I believe understanding how to teach and what mantras, mudras, pranayamas to use for which meditation, our students will not only understand why, but they will understand what is happening, the science behind. It is my belief that once you understand what your goal is with the practice and have all the science behind you, you can deliver intelligent choices for your classes and your personal practice. While I personally believe spirituality is important, that is not what this training is about. In fact, I strongly believe in this Western culture that we live in, if we are to spread this practice into the healthcare systems, the public schools, the corporations throughout, then we need to have the scientific studies and facts behind us and a strong understanding of what they are and how they are applicable to our practice. It's very important that I give you a few words about our talent contributing to this module. And when I constructed this training, that I started with the very best. April Pucciata is one of the top instructors in the Jersey Shore area, as well as an internationally traveled teacher. She will be delivering the techniques and the expertise in how-to of teaching. Her skill level will flawlessly deliver and carry you through the 3 modules lined up for the training throughout the year. Additionally, we could not be more excited to announce the contribution and partnership that we have of Dr. Sevink, a neuroscientist from Harvard Medical School, who will be speaking specifically to the studies that her team has been working on in the field of meditation and neuroscience. This is the only meditation training that I know of discussing these cutting-edge studies and that has this unique type of contribution of a neuroscientist. So I hope you can join us. We begin January 2020.